I want to start a business but I have no money or skills. You don't need money. Just follow this step-by-step process. I thought starting a business meant needing thousands of dollars. Not true. Many businesses can start with zero investment. Here is how. Step number one, sell what you know. Freelancing, consulting, or teaching online are zero cost ways to start. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram to offer your services. Step number two, resell and flip products. Find underpriced products and resell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy. Start with items you already own or buy cheap from thrift stores. Step number three, digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Once made, they sell forever. Use Canva or Gumroad to sell digital products with zero upfront cost. Wow, I didn't know I could start with $0. Now you have no excuse. Pick one method and start today. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more zero investment business ideas.